you're working towards getting to your 1,000 subscribers, this video is for you because this video is going to save you so much time, okay, to get into that place in just 7 days. Okay, so click the subscribe button, stay tuned as I show you step by step what I did, okay, to get to my 1,000 subscribers and how it worked and what will work for you. Okay, yeah, so if you are in 50 sub, 100 sub, or even 500 sub, stay tuned because this video is for you. Let's go there. So the first thing you want to do is, first of all, go to your, like for instance, so the first thing you want to do is to go to the platform, okay, that you want to use. Some persons use Instagram, some persons use Facebook, some persons use TikTok, okay. So myself, I prefer to use TikTok, okay. Yes, so I'll head over to my TikTok. But before you head over to your TikTok, make sure you have downloaded TikTok downloader. Okay, just go to your Play Store. Okay, go to your Play Store and download it. TikTok downloader, or you see Snaptick. Okay, it will download all your videos without any watermark. Okay, so I already have it. This is it. This is my TikTok downloader. Okay, so this is where I get to download the videos I'm about to get from TikTok. So let's head over to TikTok right now. So we are going to our TikTok. So when you get to TikTok, when you get to TikTok, okay, click on search button and search the kind of video you want. Look for a video that is trending, okay? Yes, video that has up to thousands of views, and there must be short videos. So today I'm going to be using fruit. Okay, so I'll tap on this fruit. So look at this. So they will show you, sorry for the noise, they will show you variety of fruits here. So you look for the one that has high high views. Okay, yes, it must have high views, and you also make sure that it does not have any watermark, because most times owners of videos may decide to put watermark in it. Like this one now, there is a watermark, okay, at the center of the video. So you see this one, all these things. This one is about at 9,000. Okay, so you just go ahead and look for anyone that you want, any one of your choice that you want. This is exactly what I did. Okay, so look for the one that does not have any watermark and use them. And then you want to go ahead and, like this one now, okay, there's no watermark in this one, so we're going to be using it. Okay, so what I will do now is to click on this share button, and I'm going to copy the link. Okay, I've copied the link, so I'm going to head over to my TikTok downloader right now. Minimize and go to TikTok downloader. So this is my TikTok downloader. Okay, so I'll go ahead and paste the link here. This is the link I got from TikTok. So I'm going to paste it here and then click on download. So it is downloading the video for me right now. Click on download again. So the video is downloading. As you can see, downloading file. Okay, so once it's done downloading, we're going to go ahead to open it. Okay, it is done downloading. So we're going to go ahead to open the video. Okay, now if you have downloaded more than, look at it, it's downloaded already. So if you have downloaded more than 5 videos, yeah, you copied more than 5 links, after downloading this one, you see download other videos. You just click here and start downloading other videos. So let's go to my gallery and see the downloaded video already. So this is my gallery. Move over to the downloaded video. Where are you? So this is it. This is the video downloaded. So the video is downloaded without any watermark. Okay, so what I want to do now is to head over to my YouTube. Okay, I have this video now in my gallery, so I'm going to head over to my YouTube now. Okay, YouTube. This is my YouTube. I want to click on this plus button to upload the short. So this is the video I downloaded from TikTok using my TikTok downloader, which came out without any watermark. You know that um YouTube doesn't like watermark of other social media in their video. So this video now came out plain. Okay, so we've downloaded it. But on a second, if you don't want to do everything, all the editing in YouTube, you can choose to go to your CapCut, get the video to your CapCut, remove the original sound. Okay, maybe add some letters in front of it before coming over to YouTube. But in this video, we're going to be doing all the editing in YouTube, and trust me, it works. It works, and it also saves time. So we're heading over to our YouTube right now. So I'm going to go over to add sound. Okay, you can go to your YouTube and choose. There are so many sound. Maybe garden sound. Let's add garden. Hey, garden sound something. Okay, and just look for any sound from the garden, and then add this one. Okay, so when you add it, it means that you're going to change the original music that came with it to avoid copyright. So we've added the sound right now. Okay, so you want to come here that looks like mic, this place, and then you tap on it and reduce the video, the audio, sorry, the original audio that came with it. Reduce it to the minimum, and then increase the one that you just added, and then click good. So if I play it now, it has the one I added from YouTube. Okay, so to avoid copyright strike, and then you want to go ahead to add maybe something. Okay, you can just add yummy fruits or something. Okay, change the color you want, and then move it up just to add some changes to the video. Okay, so once you are done with that, let's play this. So you can see now that the original music that came with it has been changed, and we have also added some letters to it. Okay, so we'll move out to next. So the next thing we want to do now is to just add our title, okay, or your short caption. You can just add yummy. I love oranges. You know, just add something like, and then add some hashtags, okay, to it. Just add some hashtags, fruits, okay, add garden, just stuff like that. You add it, and the next thing you want to do, and then add hashtag subscribe. So you add it. So after that, you want to click on this pencil button here and change the thumbnail. Okay, so we want to just change the thumbnail to look like this. So after changing the thumbnail to look like this, the next thing to do is to look at your settings. Okay, here it is talking about the visibility is still private, so you move it to public. Okay, and now the audience, it is not meant for kids, you leave it that way. So that is all for this video, and you go ahead and click on upload. Okay, so once you are done with it, the next thing to do is to click on upload, and believe me guys, it's gonna do well. Okay, so because people love it when it is very short, and I'm telling you that if you can do this, just go to TikTok, go to Instagram, download this kind of videos. Okay, some persons download maybe wedding vlog, some persons use pets. You know, just download what you think you love, what will work for you. Download, and it must have millions of views or thousands of views. Download it, and make sure you download enough that will enable you to post at least 6 shots a day. Okay, when I was doing this, I was getting like 20 subscribers in a day. I was getting 20 subscribers in a day. There are some days I get up to 25 subscribers. You get? So if you do it that way, six shots every day, six shots every day. There are some days you even get more than 40 subscribers. Okay. Yes, you just time it. Maybe you post one by 9 a.m., post another one by 11 a.m., post another one by 12 p.m., post another one by, post it that way. And before you know it, it is six. The next day you do it consistently for 7 days. And let's see if you not hit your 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so this is where we're going to round up this video. So hope you learned a lot. Okay, so if you're at 50 sub or 100 sub or even 500 sub, just go do this thing. Okay, do everything that the video says. Okay, and there's no way you're not gonna make or get to your 1,000 subscriber. Just make sure you follow everything and remember to delete all the videos. Okay, when you get to your 1,000 subscribers, and this is not where you want to, this is not the niche you want, kindly delete all the videos and then start posting what you want to post. Okay. Yeah. So this is the fastest way to get your subscribers. Remember, like I said, post at least 6 shots every day. If this video has helped you, kindly subscribe and stay tuned to more of my videos. See you in the inside.